Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll solve decimal number related word problem for standard 4. So first question says, while playing in the field, Sprog and his three friends find a $10 note. They decide to divide the note among themselves. How much does each get? That means here we can see that there are a $10 note and this amount of money will be divided by Sprog and his three friends. So here total number of person is Sprog and his three friends. So Sprog himself 1% and his three friends. So in total 1 plus 3 4%. And they want to share this $10 note among themselves. So each one will get, so we can write each one will get 10 divided by 4. So $10 divided by 4. So now we need to divide 10 divided by 4. At first 4 to the 8. Then what will be the remainder? Here the remainder will be 2. Now we need to put a decimal point to convert this division into decimal number. So here after putting a point we can put a 0 here. Then 4 5s are 20. Okay. Then what is the final answer? $2.5. Okay. That means each one will get $2.5. Now question number 2. Spook gets a nice big chocolate. So there is a one chocolate on his birthday. At school, he decides to share it with 4 of his friends. So he decides to share with 4 of his friends. That means he himself, one person, and with 4 of his friends. That means another 4 persons. So in total, there are 5 persons. So total number of person will be Spook and his 4 friends. So 1 plus 4, there will be 5. And they want to share a big chocolate. Then we can say each one will get 1 divided by 5 chocolates. So now we need to divide 1 divided by 5. So since 1 cannot be divisible by 5, so we have to use the decimal number. So after putting a point here, we can use a 0. 5 to the 10. Okay. That means we can say 0.2 chocolate. That means if we divide 1 chocolate into 5 part, then each one will get 1 part. That will be called 0.2 chocolates. Now, question number 3. Question number 3 says, Moonshine has 3 chewing gums in his pocket. He shares with his best friend Sunshine. So Moonshine and Sunshine, there are 2 persons. So total number of person will be Moonshine and Sunshine, that will be 2 persons. And they want to share 3 chewing gums. So how many chewing gums? 3 chewing gums. Okay. So how many does each get? So each one will get actually 3 divided by 2 chewing gums. So now we need to divide 3 by 2. 2 1s are 2, remainder 1. Then put a point and 0 here. 2 5s are 10. That means we can say 1.5 chewing gum. Okay. So in this way, we can easily complete the decimal number for standard 4. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, Fi Amanillah.